Struggling to grab attention? Explaining complex ideas, but no one's listening? Feeling frustrated as customers or students tune out? Here's the truth. People don't ignore you because they don't care. They ignore you because information isn't presented in a way that sticks. Here is the solution. Introducing Whiteboard and Explainer videos, the secret weapon for businesses and educators. Why do they work? Because they trigger the brain's natural love for visual storytelling. People remember 80% of what they see and hear, but only 10% of text. That's powerful. Here is the science behind why Whiteboard video works. Our brains process visuals 60,000 times faster than text. That's why Whiteboard videos grab attention instantly.
Woohoo!
They simplify complex ideas, making learning and decision-making easier and faster. And they keep viewers hooked. Whiteboard animations have 66% higher retention rates than traditional videos. Make learning fun and memorable. Improve understanding. Simplify difficult subjects with engaging visuals. If you're not using video, you're losing attention and opportunities. But you don't have to fall behind. At Producers Cut Media, we create high-impact Whiteboard videos that turn viewers into customers and students into learners.